Hi there and welcome. I'm on a course called Manager of a Moodle Site, AI Enhanced course, which is completely free on how to be a manager of a Moodle site. Going to show you Checklist. Now, Checklist is a plugin on Moodle. It's a block, but you don't have to know that, except that it appears on the right side under blocks. I'm in as a participant of this course. I'm going to go into the checklist, and this is what you will see. Notice here, I'll click on it, and notice my options here. I can view progress, and that's my progress. Not much right now. I can also go into edit checklist and add a new checklist, which is what I'm going to do. Let me add the URL here. There. It's called Janitor AI. It's like Character AI, which is at the top of the list. Notice this one is at the bottom. I might want to bring it up by just taking it all the way up. Or I can do something else. Notice here, I can add it after character. So here is the plus, and add the URL again, and then Janitor AI, and it's just where I want it, exactly under character. Notice what else I can do as a student. Let me just get rid of the other janitor here. I don't need to have two of them, so I can also delete. I can actually delete all of this. I've got quite a bit of rights here. I was given permission by the admin teacher, who's me, and I think that's very, very important so that students can have the right to add, comment on, and so on. So let me just cancel here, and that's the list. I'm going to go to the checklist over here. Okay, here it is. This is Moodle 5.0, and the theme is Move. And notice I also added a here, which I'm going to get rid of. Notice what I can do. I can add your own items. And this is where I can add comments. Okay, and I can say really useful. Or what I can do here, instead of adding really useful, I can actually add more information. But for now, that's enough. Notice once I do that, but before I do that, let me just get rid of this because I don't really want it. Let's go back here. And then I've got the really useful. I'm going to stop adding your own items, and that's it. So once again, if I want to add a new one, I go into edit. I have to disable the edit when I want to add your own items, which is actually just adding comments. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about checklist or any other Moodle plugin. Thank you for watching, and happy Moodling.